planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of December 11th through the 17th. And this week I'm going to be doing a candy cane theme. Okay, so let's jump in. I'm going to be using paper from both of these paper pads. They've been in my stash for a long time. This I'm pretty sure is still available at a Hobby Lobby. I'd be interested to see if it was still $19.99. And it's probably one of my most used paper pads for Christmas. I have very, very little left, but I pulled out a couple of pages from them, specifically this holly paper. And then this is the second attempt I'm trying to do. This has been the second attempt to this video. I tried to do it once and I wasn't feeling it, so I had to stop, and now I am going to get it done today. So I also pulled out some paper from this paper pad. Specifically, I believe this came from this, and I believe this candy cane paper came from that. So what my thought process was originally is I was thinking about doing like a candy cane, like hollies and candy canes. So I don't know, wasn't feeling it last time. All right, so let's go ahead and just get started. So what I'm gonna do is I took some of this paper, I just cut it to the length of the paper, and then I have this paper too, but I think all I'm gonna do is use it at the back of this, because I'm gonna put this in the middle here as just a middle piece. All right, so I went ahead and cut the paper out. And I just cut it into strips, and now I'm just cutting it into box shapes. And I think I'm just gonna kind of do kind of the old school method I used to do, just kind of putting boxes down just to kind of get some candy canes on the page. So I probably need, and then let's see if my new rainbow sticker sheet has stickers that I could use. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to play off the silver in the paper. There's like a little glittery silver pieces in there. So I think I'm going to use silver for my boxes. So that's going to happen. And then I have these pieces. And what I was thinking about doing with these pieces is I kind of want them dangling. So I have this little piece of poly that I cut from this paper. And then what I was thinking about doing was kind of, I was kind of thinking about putting it right here somehow. Doesn't really fit great there. It's kind of going back and forth when I was planning this. I kind of want to like put the holly like across the page, kind of, but I kind of feel like I might need to like cut each individual one out, which I don't think I'm going to want to do that. But I think it would look cute. Let me just cut this one. Let's see, put that there. And this one on the end. That one on the end, and then maybe this going down a little bit. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, okay. All right. So, and then I definitely want this here, like those, just a couple of those. I don't know if I want it to be like a line. Do I want it to be a line? No, I like that. I like this. Let me kind of just work off this page real quick, and then let me glue this down. So I'm going to do the holly part during sticker time because I want to put down some stickers, label stickers first, and then and then put those ones down. So I'm going to glue these up. I'm going to get, what? Okay, well that wasn't okay. I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get these glued down, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we'll do sticker time. Now what I want to do, now that I've got all the little stickers down, I'm like, I'm going to use every single candy cane sticker that I have on these two sticker sheets. And I think I did. I think I used them all. And then I put a little bit of holly leaves in there. So what I want to do with these is I want them to look like they're dangling from this holly. So let's see. I'm going to pull this tape off. And I want it to just kind of dangle here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue just to kind of hold it down. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, and then it just kind of dangles there. I don't really want the string to show. Oh yeah, so I just have that one dangling. I thought I was going to do it on this other side, but I think there's just too much going on and you don't really see it. Do I want two dangling over here? No, I think just the one. All right, I think I'm good with that. Now what I want to do is take this piece of paper and take this. So it's got like this kind of dark border around it, which I don't really want that. So I'm going to glue this on. Actually, yeah, I'm going to glue this on. All right. So I'm going to glue this on, but I'm not going to put it quite up against the corner because I don't really want, I don't want it to be that dark part. Okay. And I'm going to leave enough space for me to punch the holes in this paper. And I'm just going to cut around. Kind of wasting this piece of paper, but it's all right. I'm not really going to use it. I have that now. I can use that for something else. All right. So now I want to kind of measure out, because I still want this on here, but I really want it to be like right in the middle of this page. So I'm going to cut it right there. And then I'm going to take my Happy Planner punch. Put it right in the middle. All right. So now that I have this piece, we can put it in the planner. All right. I think it turned out cute. I like the little pops of holly. I love this little interactive element here. And then my little candy cane. All right. And then it has Candy Cane Factory. And then it's got that on the back. Yep. I like it. I like how it turned out. So that is my little Candy Cane Factory time with me. Hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again next time.